Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope the Maggie on the screen made you smile. Obviously, right? I don't think there is anyone who dislikes Maggie. So why don't we make a healthier version today? Let's start. To make our Maggie healthier, we will be using sprouts. I am using sprouted green lentils and sprouted black chickpeas. You can use any of your choice. First cook sprouted black lentils for 15 minutes and then add sprouted green lentils to it and further cook for another 10 to 15 minutes. I'm using 2 packets of Maggie's masala oats noodles today. In a pan add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once hot, add mustard seeds and cumin seeds and let it splutter. Now empty the Maggi masala packet that comes with the noodles. And if you need it to be more spicy, just add another Maggi curry masala. Ensure the pan is not too hot, else the masala will get burnt. Switch off the stove if needed and let the masala cook for 30 seconds. My Maggi masala packet already had few veggies in it like corn and carrot pieces. Now add 2 cups of water, mix well and let it boil. You can now add the noodles. Once the noodles softens a little, put a lid and cook for 2 minutes. Then open the lid and add cooked sprouts. Again cover and let it simmer for another 3 to 5 minutes. Switch off the flame and it's ready to serve. If it's your cheat day and you want to make it cheesy, just put a slice of cheese on hot Maggi and relish it. Do try out this healthier version of Maggie and let me know in comments whether you liked it or not. Comment below and share your favorite Maggie recipe with me. Thank you for watching today's video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Stay healthy and stay happy.